5 minutes and 18. Jero. What a pass. No good, rebound by Chakli. Wala pa rin. 2 points. Last possession before change. Last possession.
Nakakailan na si Jero.
5 minutes exactly. No good, rebound by Mongosera. 4 minutes and 53. Last possession for change. Last possession for change. Good ball. 4 minutes and 42. No good. 4 minutes and 35. Repite. Change score na po. 17-4 in favor of Team G.
38 kuya.
17-4.
Sino team ay kuya? Sila Chakli, Team G yan.
Labas na po. 17-4 in favor of Team G. 16 spinning. Foul. First team foul, Team G. 17 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock. What a pass. No good again. Rebound by Repite. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Long 2. 2 points. Stepping on the line.
3-3.
Dos. Long 2. Jero, Mongosera. 3 minutes and 33. Block. Foul. Second team foul for Team G. Parehas, second team foul, dalawang second team na oras. 3 minutes and 20. 3 minutes and 20. Sab, anyari, Kurt? Napatikol?
Boko!
Sino po pwede? Sino mabalik mo? Kurt. Pili ka, Kurt. Sino? Pwede rin yun. Pwede yun si Denver. Pwede rin si Boko.
Boko, ikaw na!
Ayaw, si Boko na. Ito na. O si Denver. Si Boko daw. Sige. 19-4 in favor of. Limitasyon na. Papapawis. Labas na po.
Nag-aagaw lang yan. Saling kit-kit.
Block by Yancy. Kenneth, 2 points. Kenneth Yagi, 19-6. Out of bounds. 19-6, 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining on the clock.
Walang bayad.
Ayos lang yun. Nakalaro na yun.
3, no good. Rebound by Yancy. Yancy, 2 points. Yancy, Matt, 21-6. 2 minutes and 30.
Walang galaw, walang ano.
Tapas,
Walang ikot.
steal by Chakli.
Wala.
Out of bounds. Good ball. Good ball.
Sayang lang yung mga toon yun eh.
Good ball. 2 points. Catalino. 21-8. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng advancement. Makikita sa kilid. 15 seconds shot clock. Jero taking 3. No good. Rebound by Larry. 1 minute and 49 seconds. 2 points. Catalino. Second shot clock. No good. Rebound by Chakli. We had the back pass to Ma. 2 points. Ma. 23-10. Steal by Oli. Top dish pass. And the back. 2 points. Chakli come. 25-10. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Nakikita ko pala sa liga, solid na yun.
Block by the Repite. Maat dunking. 2 points. Kelsey. 27, 10. 47 seconds. 3, Boko. No good. Boko pa rin. No good. Boko pa rin. Wala pa rin. 30 seconds. Catalino taking 3. 3. Catalino. 27, 13.
37.
20 seconds. Shot clock off. 14 seconds. Out of bounds. 10 seconds.
Gana yan.
9. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Basket count. Jason.